In a quiet neighborhood, something unexpected was about to happen.
A picnic with mice?
Why not? Friends can be different.
Let's bring kindness with us. They look big, but they came in peace.
Sometimes fear disappears when kindness shows up.
That's my superpower! Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for welcoming us.
Trust grows when hearts open. Today was special.
Because we chose friendship. Being different doesn't mean being enemies. It means learning something new.